All right, so let's talk emojis. Apparently they're all the rage. People much cooler than me tell me these things. So what I'll do in this video is show you a few things about working with emojis. I'm focusing on using your Mac laptop. There's a keyboard shortcut that you can use, and then I'll have a look at how you insert your emojis into things like Word documents, Google Docs, Slides, and Google Sheets. Let's have a look. Let's start with something simple like a Word document. On your keyboard, on your Mac, and this applies to any time you want to use an emoji somewhere while you're working on a Mac, you're going to hold down the Control, Command, and Spacebar, and that brings up this emoji menu. Down the bottom here, you've got your different categories of emojis, so it's simply a case of finding the emoji you want to use, clicking on it. You may need to wait, and then that will insert it. Now that's just treated like any other type of font that you might have, and you can adjust the size of that to whatever you want. Now in Google Docs, let's start with a slides presentation. Make sure you've got your text box. Same thing again, Control, Command, Spacebar. That'll bring up your emoji menus here, and you can insert that. And again, you can increase or decrease the size of that as you need it. Google Sheets, slightly different. Select your cell. Now this time what you need to do is you actually need to come to the formula bar here and to make sure your cursor is flashing there. Same thing, Control, Command, Spacebar. That brings up your emoji menu, usually. And you can just choose the one that you want. Then you need to press the return key or the enter key on your keyboard, and that confirms it and puts it in the cell for you. Google Docs, it's not the same thing.
Because we're Google, that's what we do.
You can smash that Control, Command, Spacebar on your keyboard all you want. It's not going to bring up that emojis shortcut menu for you. So once you've reminded yourself that that keyboard shortcut's not going to work in a Google Doc, you will need to come up here to Insert, down here to Special Characters, and then over here in this middle set of drop-down menus, you're going to change this from symbol to emoji. And over here in this third set of drop-down menus, you've got your different categories. So you just choose a category that you want, click on the one you want, and you'll see it appear where your cursor is on your screen. You can go ahead and close that and keep typing. And again, you can highlight that and change the size as required. Here's the silly part. If you want to add an emoji to the title of your Google Doc, we're back to the keyboard shortcut. Control, Command, Spacebar, choose the one you want, and that'll put it into the title for you. And now you can be one of the cool kids who use emojis everywhere. Nice and easy. Control, Command, Spacebar to bring up that emoji menu, choose your emoji, and whack him in. Everywhere except a Google Doc. All right, if you have any dramas, hit me up and we'll get you sorted. Have a good one.